show you guys how Lorenzo writes on all of his documents. Maybe it's a little bit easier for you guys. We're going to be doing this on an Apple. I know a lot of you guys have like the Windows computer and all that stuff, so I'll have to make another video to see how to do that on one of my other computers in the house. But right now we're doing it on an Apple, which is kind of my favorite. So you're going to be on this screen. You're going to be going here to the Bob Sykes Elementary thing with the little bell, the little school. And you're going to click on that. Of course, your child is going to find their teacher. In this case, we're going to be doing Miss McCarty. We're going to go to the week 1 or whatever week she puts up. On this one, we're going to click the Science one. We're going to go to download. In this case, on the Apple, everything is down here under the downloads. Okay, so we're going to click on it and we're going to open the document. And then it'll pop up. Since it is a document that this was sent in, you should be able to right away go ahead and type in it. Okay, so in this case is, I don't know, non-living. Then you'll go down to living, and you'll be able to delete, do whatever you want on this, okay? Then after that, you'll go to File, you'll click Save, and it'll save your document. You could pick to save it to your desktop, to your documents, pictures, whatever you want to do. For us, we save everything on the desktop because later it's easy to just drag it in the email to send to Miss McCarty to turn in. Okay, so once you're done with all of this, you go to File, you click Save, and it's going to save to wherever you want to save it, your desktop, etc. Okay, so we're done with that one. Now we go to Science number 2. This one you're going to also do the same thing. You're going to hit download. With Mac, once again, it goes all down here or it pops up. Okay, so we want to first save the document so we don't lose it. I'm going to change this to a 5 because I already have it saved. He already did this work, so it's already saved. So I'm going to change it to a 5 so that I can try to save it again. Like I said, everything we do in desktop. So you'll click desktop. Okay, with Apple, you're going to have all of these options on here. Markup tools. Okay, you can flip the document. So if you receive a document upside down, then you just click rotate left or rotate whatever until it's in the right position. Underline, strike, which is kind of what I've been doing over here. Just marking off the assignments he's done. Here's where you share. Here's where you make the document bigger, or you make it way smaller because it's too small or too big for your child. Okay, so we're going to go here to the markup tool. All these boxes are going to pop up. You have the letter here, A. This changes the font to whatever you want, just to make it fun. You have bold, you have the underline symbol, you could change the font to any color you want, bigger or smaller, etc. In this case, we're just going to go here to the T. A little box is going to pop up. You're going to answer the question. I am a plant. Name 3 things I need to live and to grow. Water. I don't know, soil. Maybe some sun. And whatever else you want to write. And you're gonna move this around until you get the little hand, and you're gonna move it. A lot of times it's easier just to click out and then click back in. You see that? Click out, put it right on top, and then just click and drag it. You can go here, change the color. This is his favorite part here. He loves to just change the colors to every little thing. Do whatever you want. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. Okay. When you're done with that, you click out, go back to text. You get another little box. I am a chicken. Name 3 things I need to live and to grow. I don't know. Food, eggs, I don't know. Whatever chickens need. You're going to go here, drag it, put it wherever you want. Once again, you can go up here. They can change it to whatever color they want. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. Whatever they want. Lorenzo loves to mess with this, so it could get a little annoying. Okay. And then you'll do the same thing again with the next question. What does the baby need? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Etc. Okay, so when you're done with filling out your form, your work or whatnot, then you'll just go back up here to File, and you'll click Save. Okay, and then that automatically saved, which is this document here. I love to do things in like brighter colors so then I can see that the color was saved, like it's on there. You see that. I like to do it like 3 times because it freaks me out. But it should be okay. Make sure that the document is clicked on and then you're clicking Save. Okay? And then you'll get out of that. And then you can go to the next document. You'll have to click Download. I'm going to change the name in this one as well because I already have that saved. Desktop, which you see it just popped up right here, right? Now back to the same thing. You go into the little marker up here. You're going to the text. It popped up here. The name. Drag it. You do the same thing with the date, all that stuff, etc. What city is the closest to the Atlantic Ocean? Oof. Go to text. That pops up. Cape Canaveral. Go down here. Since it's red on red, just change it. Change it whatever color you want. Make it smaller. Make it bold. Whatever you want to do. And then you put it in the box. And then you hit text again and you go to the next question. State capital. Etc. When you're done with this whole thing, you go, oh, let me show you this. On these ones, Tampa is the state capital of Florida. That's false, right? So this is what we've been doing. We go here to this little box, open it up, You could do circle, square, whatever you want to do. You could do a star over it. I'm sure she wouldn't mind. Then you drag this. And you just mess around with it like this, whatever you want to do. See? But this is with Apple, so I'll have to see what it is on the other, on Microsoft, on the Windows. And my daughter has one, so I'll be messing with that later on today. So see, whatever you want to do so that she knows, so she can see what, you know, or she knows that that's the answer, of course. And that's it. Then you're going to go up here when you're done, hit save. So it saves. And I'm sure you can see some the red circle and some red writing and all that stuff. That means it's saved. I see it, that it's on there. Okay, and then let's say all the work is done. You'll go into the email, which I'm not going to click on it so you don't see our emails or Lorenzo's emails, but you go to your Outlook, and then when you open up the email and you're getting ready to send Miss McCarty the email, you just drag the document onto the email and it'll go right on there. Okay, so I hope this video helps.